Alright, it is about 7 o'clock. I've been up since about 5. It's been raining like crazy this morning, and it rained all last night too. It was really coming down. And so I'm hunkered down in here with Sierra. It's going to be one of those kind of wet days here at camp. I mean, when it's wet like this, you can see the windows. I mean, they're completely, you know, all... Oh, wow, that's cool. Look over there. Those low-lying clouds. Yeah, let's get out of the topper and check this out. I want to see what this looks like, but it's going to be raining all day today, and it's going to be off and on. And when it's like this, the ground out here just gets super sloppy. I mean, you can't even hardly walk. It just gets so messy. So I'm going to have to watch it with Sierra and stuff. It's going to be one of those days where we're going to have pretty much everything at camp is going to get dirty. But it's been going good out here. The only thing is that, you know, there's definitely heightened tensions of people just during this time. So I'm just trying to be cool and trying to be nice as I can to everybody. And I've been working with the Forest Service to help direct people to places that are still open to camp, because they've made some areas to where people can camp during this time. And so just doing that and trying to stay ahead of the game. So let's get out of the topper though and see what the morning looks like.
All right, baby, ready to go outside? You wanna go outside and go potty? You go outside and run around, get some treats? Let's go. All right, you go ahead, Bucket. You go ahead. Go ahead, sweetie. Go ahead, Sierra.
It's a nice day. Everything is soaking wet. Let's see over here. There's Christo's van over there, my friend who does the paragliding. And wow, those clouds are hanging really low in the valley. So let's get out here and check them out. I'm gonna put my shoes on real quick. All right. Everything's worked out good last night. I put this tarp on here. That way it kind of just goes off the edge and sheds all the water off the back, and that way it gives me a nice place to step out in the morning that's dry. And it's actually still a little dry down here, which is surprising because it rained like a mofo last night. But gotta clean up all my stuff from last night. Did some tuna and some stuff like that, so I'm gonna get that all squared away. But boy, this area I thought it'd be covered and good to go, but that wind last night and the rain, I mean, it was just blowing like crazy, so it really hammered us here. But awning held up well. I'm still using that little pop-up in the middle there. I want to come over here and look at these cliffs, because this is amazing over here. What I want to do later today is, when the weather gets nice, or nicer, and it's not raining, I want to get the drone and take it up over here and go to all these cliffs and get close to them. And I wish I could do it now, because it literally, like right now, it looks like there's waterfalls and stuff falling off of these massive rock faces. So this is really cool. And plus too, with the clouds this morning, I mean, it's like freaking Narnia around here. This place is amazing. But I am working with the Forest Service. There's a guy here, he's a field agent. His name's or field ranger, his name's Shoemaker, his last name's Shoemaker. And so I talked with him the other day and told him that I would let people know about where they made places to camp out here, because Arizona's still open right now. Northern Arizona's still pretty chill. Colorado, New Mexico, and Utah all have a lot of closures going on. And then Colorado has that thing where, over in Gunnison, where they're going to be issuing a $5,000 fine and 18 months prison sentence if you're caught in there non-resident around town. And that's the maximum, but still the fact that it's possible is kind of crazy. But we're gonna be raining off and on all day today. I mean, like, this is really dark clouds right here, and it's just gonna come in through waves. And then I think by like 2 or 3 p.m. we'll be safe. But the nice thing about all this rain is that once it subsides, all of the cactus around here is going to start blooming. So like this stuff right here, it's going to show all their colors and their flowers and everything, which is really nice. But I'm thinking about sticking in the area, but just kind of going to a different location about an hour from here. A place where me and Sierra have been a bunch, and she can run around freely, and there's not a lot of people around over there. And then after that, I'm going to head to higher elevations and just kind of get away from people. So, hey, what do you say? Let's go get our breakfast started. You want to go with me? Come on. You want to come over here? Let's go. Come on. Come on. You want some treats? Let's go. Come on. Come on, Sierra. Let's go make some breakfast. I think today is going to be just like a movie day inside the topper because this rain's not going to stop until this afternoon, and it's supposed to be coming down all morning. And this ground is just gross. Like when the water hits it, it just turns into like this slurry that just gets all over everything. But there's pockets of sunlight coming out, so I'm hoping that this breaks up sooner rather than later, because I'd love to get the drone out and go close to those cliffs over there and just check out just the cliffs with all the water on them and everything. It's gonna be really cool. And then once this place dries out, all the flowers are gonna start blooming, all the desert flowers and like the cactus and everything. It's gonna be incredible. So I gotta get my computer fixed. The screen is starting to go out on it, which is pretty frustrating. I bought that MacBook like 3 months ago and the screen's already going out. Luckily there's a place in town here that's a certified Apple Care specialist, so they can take care of it. So hopefully it's not too bad, but that's why videos have been kind of lacking lately, is because I can't really edit very well on my computer at the moment with the screen going in and out. So, but once I get that fixed, I'll be back up and running and posting videos all the time. So, but I'm going to get some breakfast going here, going to do my omelet like usual, then I'm going to hop in the topper and we're going to watch a movie. Hey, sweetie. How are you doing this morning? We had a good night's rest, didn't we? It was raining all night. Wonder what everybody else is up to this morning. Maybe we can go for a hike later. Oh, so it dries out, let's go for a hike, okay? I want to go over and check out those cliffs. That'd be awesome. What did I do with that? I want to get some avocado in here. Gotta get that last drop of hot sauce, babe. Last drop of hot sauce, pumpkin. What do you say, pumpkin? Should we listen to some Rogan? Maybe some hot boxing with Mike Tyson? Let's listen to this show with Brendan Schaub. I like that guy.
Hello, friends. Welcome to the show. This episode of the podcast is brought to you by Blue Apron. My guest today is one of my best friends. You might know him from the Fighter and the Kid podcast, or the Below the Belt podcast, or the King and the Sting. He does so many things. He's my brother. Give it up for Brendan Schaub.
Joe Rogan podcast, check it out.
The Joe Rogan Experience.
Train by day, Joe Rogan podcast by night. All day.